expecting some sort of stimulus there in that country. And the yen, there it is now at 102.84.
And the Bank of Japan meets July 29th. Remember that.
Connect those dots, Bob Pisani. The S&P today at a record, and I don't know, it's the only of the major averages that's doing that today. Here we are up to 2137.05, so it looks like we're going to do that. Meanwhile, the yield on the 10-year came up just a smidge. That 3-year note auction today was unimpressive. Not enough demand, or not as much demand as might have been expected today.
So the important thing is we're at new highs on the S&P, but as you noted, we are well short of the other indices, about 100 points on the Dow, but more importantly, double digits away from the transports, NASDAQ as well. Mid-cap also, and even the small cap, the Russell 2000, isn't quite close to it either. I think it's interesting. If you put up the RSP, this is the S&P equal weighted index. Remember, the S&P is market cap weighted. We're at new highs because the S&P 100, the biggest stocks, are dragging it up. But the equal weight index isn't quite there. You see that? That means the smaller companies in the S&P 500 still have a ways to catch up.
Here we go. So we're getting a record closing high for the S&P today. We'll talk about what that means for the rest of the week as we get ready for earnings. Alcoa getting ready to report. Southern Company ringing the closing bell here at the Big Board Summit State Bank at the NASDAQ. Stay tuned now for hour number 2 of the closing bell.
Welcome to the closing bell. The S&P 500 closing at a record high. I'm Sarah Eisen in today for Kelly Evans. Bill Griffith will be rejoining us in just a moment. Let's show you how we're finishing up the day on Wall Street. Stocks building on a strong rally on Friday, sending the S&P 500 past a record high. We have not seen the S&P make a record since back in May 2015, but there you go, 2137.01. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closing up a little less than 0.5%, at 79 points, and the NASDAQ actually doing the best of all 3 major indices, up 0.6%, but still a few percentage points away from its own record high. Investors are now set for earnings season to kick off, and it starts any minute when Alcoa releases its results. We've got instant analysis for you. We've got an exclusive interview with the chairman and CEO, Klaus Kleinfeld. But let's start first with the markets. Joining us for the hour, CNBC senior